Hello everyone, pigmoney here with episode 4 of the Copytrading Battle Royale in the pigmoney Reloaded series. If you've been following the channel, you will know that on the 1st of January 2025, I started a crypto copy trading challenge with the best centralized exchanges that provide this service. In the qualifier round, I had 7 contestants and only 3 made it to the finals: BitGet, BingX and Bybit. I started a $500 account with each, copying the most reliable and promising traders I could find. After a few weeks, the trader I copied on BitGet blew my account when the market witnessed record liquidations. However, the ones at Bybit and BingX are still very much alive, not being bothered too much about market fluctuations. Let's see how the month of March was going for each of them. First, let's see BingX. The name of the trader I copy is Kokora Crypto Trade. At the moment, some positions are quite deep in red, which puts my account in a bit of a drawdown. Clearly, the sentiment that he is expecting is a bullish one, and the market had not been very generous with bulls in March. That being said, the closed positions are decent with a few exceptions, all green. The performance of Kokora seems to be matching dynamics of the crypto market in general. I mean, when crypto is doing well, the trades are going well. When there is turbulence, trades are struggling. So this is not to say that Kokora is a lousy trader or anything like that. Quite the contrary, any trader that uses leverage and can successfully ride the waves of the price action is a seasoned trader, no doubt. At this stage, I'm not worried about the open positions, even though I think that the bull market has lost a lot of momentum. I still consider that the downside risk is much smaller than the upside risk, and going long is the right direction to take. I expect these trades to eventually close out in profit, and the rest is a question of patience. Bybit. Seems like there are other traders, and then there is the Bybit trader Maximus. Yet again, I'm completely amazed by the skills of this guy. At the moment, some positions are in red, but I'm quite sure that eventually these will be closed in green as well. If they do, the overall result will be somewhere around 30% in net gains. That means that it produces an average of 10% per month. I am absolutely happy with this. The best thing is that I don't need to check the positions all the time like I did with other traders in the past. Maximus is simply reliable, period. Copy trading by nature is very risky, so to find some traders that you can copy while resting assured that your account is not going to get blown up is so rare that I don't mind if a single month does not produce the same results as the ones before. I can live with that. It will be interesting to see what April is going to look like. There is a lot of rumble in the markets, uncertainty is extremely high, the news around government adoption of crypto is not exactly up to market expectations, so I'm actually expecting this correctional period to be extended by a little bit. There are some technical indicators which would support this idea. Talk about the infamous death cross, which is likely to happen sometime in April, but as it usually is, right after that there is a relief rally happening, so I'm not worried too much about the state of the crypto market. The long-term view is obviously bullish. The short term might be slightly bearish, but nothing to be overly concerned about. That's it for March. Not the best of months. I expect nothing more from April either, to be honest, but I think at least in May we will have some confirmation about the direction the prices are going to take. I have included the links for the traders in the description field if you want to find them on the exchanges. Finishing the first quarter of the year, I have to say, honestly, I was expecting a tougher, more intense competition among the traders and platforms, but seems like Bybit and BingX are the 2 reliable options these days. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see some others included in the next episode, or if you have any suggestions about how to follow through this challenge. See you next month. Until then, trade safe, pigmoney out.